are pleased to show you 2021 Mercedes E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, stability control, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.